Hello guys, I'm here again. Our topic for today is how to create a cove light. Okay, so here on the screen I have some examples of the cove lights. Here you can use it in interior design, or you can use it in exhibition design, booth design, you know, uh, events. So it it can uh, it can help you visualize your space, especially for product endorsement, okay, for product exhibition. Okay, so we will gonna do this thing. Okay, now in reality, you can accomplish this through the use of LED strip light. Okay, so this one. Now we'll go to the 3D Max. Now this is the previous one that I created. It's already there, but the scene is like this. Okay. Now we will have to create a what you call that. This one is a spline, a circle, any type of spline you can create. No rectangle, ellipse, like that, anything. Okay. So we will create a circle. Okay, but I will do this for the flooring. Okay, okay. We have here now uh, the circle made from spline, and then we will go to the modify, and then you find it too thin. No, there's no geometry on it. But if you will check the enable in renderer and also enable in viewport, you can find now. That it has now a thickness. Okay, it became a geometry. Okay, I will check the okay. We will I will be bringing it a little bit up, from the okay, and then I'll center it. I'll bring it up from the floor. Okay, now you have it, and then here you can increase the thickness onto this. No, look at that. See, but we don't need too big. I will make it zero point 0.5. Now there you go, and then here you can increase the sides. Okay, here. Okay, but we don't need about the sides. No, but we only need this type of geometry. Okay, and then after that we will convert it into a polygon. Okay, now it's already a polygon. Then we will have to go to a light. Again, it will be Arnold light. And then once we select, there are types of different types of Arnold light, and I will show you we will select the mesh. Okay, we can delegate this kind of light here next to our okay, and we will rename it. Okay, the name of the slide is okay. I will rename it, okay, by going into the select, and then on the modify. Okay, the name of that is Arnold light. Okay, I will make it floor light. Floor light. Okay, and then this one I will make it TV light. Okay, this is delegated for this geometry, and this one is delegated, okay, for this geometry, for this circle. Now after that, you will find this section under the Arnold light, which is emit light from type and a mesh. Okay, we will not make the Arnold light from itself, but instead we will select a mesh. Then we'll select none, and then we select that. Automatically you will find a glowing light onto the object. It means to say that is selected, and then select it. Okay. Now we will try to render it. Okay. Now it is taking time because I'll cancel it. The setting for our sample is 10. Just make it 5 to make it faster. Or let's try to make it 5 by 5. Okay. Then we try to render it again. Now you see, the more light you have, the longer time you need to render it. Okay. So I'll cancel it again. I'll return it back to the original volume sample. Okay. And then after that, let's make this. If you want this circle to be lighted also, just delegate a material onto it. For example, you okay, and then assign. Okay, and then basic parameter, base color and reflection will make it or yellow. Okay, like that. Okay, assign, and then see it is yellow, and then increase the emission. Uh, make the color white. See that one? The emission is white. Okay, and then I will reduce it. Okay, see now? Then we'll render it again. Okay, now the light is so strong, so we can make the light not too strong by reducing the exposure. Make it 3 and render. Okay, let's cancel again, and we will make the sample 2 by 2 to make it faster. Okay. Okay. Now you got it. Okay. I'll make the exposure 5 and render. Now it's okay. Cancel. Then I will make a shape again by making a spline. Okay, but removing the enable in renderer and enable in viewport, so it will become a shape. And then after that I will modify it and then go to the extrude modifier. Okay, now I will increase the amount of extrusion, and then let's go to the front view. Okay, and then we will just drag it a little bit upward there. Okay, and then I will assign a material for that. Okay, and then let's see again on top if it's on the center. Then okay, edge spaces, sorry, wireframe override. Yeah, okay. Okay, now we will drag it in the center. Okay, and I'll make it a little bit smaller. Now let's see. Okay, yeah, it's correct. Okay, now let's try again. Okay, and then make it default shading. Okay, and then let's try rendering it again. Okay, 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 and then the map is not working for this, so I'll select this one and then assign. Then there's no UV W map. So I'll go to UVW mode. Okay. So to come up with a material. Okay. Then let's render. Okay. As I told you, it will become, it takes longer time to render once you add a lot of Arnold mesh light. So you must have a powerful computer to render so many lighting.